Solve 9x squared plus 3x equals 0. Well, the first step is to make sure that it's set equal to 0, which it is. And then the next step is to notice that they both have a 3x in common. So I'll factor out my greatest common factor of 3x, leaving me with a 3x plus 1. Now, since they're both prime, I'm ready to solve. I have these two factors and their product is 0, so either 3x is 0 or 3x plus 1 is 0, or both. Solving the first equation then, we divide both sides by 3 and we have x is 0. Or the second one, I need to subtract 1 from both sides, giving me 3x is negative 1, and then I need to divide both sides by 3, leaving me with x is negative 1/3. So the two solutions to my polynomial then would be negative 1/3 and 0.